Hey everyone, welcome back to TechEGadget, your go-to channel for smart, honest, and in-depth tech reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the Sony BRAVIA Theater Bar 6, a 3.1 two-channel soundbar system loaded with Dolby Atmos DTS-X and a powerful wireless subwoofer. If you're planning to level up your home entertainment experience, especially if you're a Sony BRAVIA TV owner, you'll want to stick around for this full review. Let's start with what you get in the box. Sony has packed in the essentials: the BRAVIA Theater Bar 6 soundbar itself, a wireless subwoofer, 2 power cables, an HDMI cable, a remote control with batteries, and some basic footers if you're placing it on a TV stand. Right out of the box, the design screams minimalism. The soundbar is compact and lightweight, but still feels premium. It's sleek enough to sit under any TV without becoming an eyesore, and it's especially seamless if wall-mounted. The subwoofer is slightly bulky but wireless, meaning fewer cables and more flexibility in placement. And for those wondering, yes, the power cables for both components are interchangeable, a small but thoughtful touch. Setting up the Theater Bar 6 is refreshingly simple. All you need is a TV with an eIRC HDMI port. Plug in the soundbar and subwoofer, connect the HDMI, and power it up. From there, download the BRAVIA Connect app, a key part of the system's ecosystem. The app walks you through setup step by step. It auto-detects the soundbar and subwoofer, confirms the HDMI connection, and helps position your system based on your listening distance. You can control volume, switch inputs, and enable various sound modes all through the app. The only slight drawback? You'll need the app to toggle between inputs like Bluetooth, which would have been more convenient with a button on the unit itself. Once it's powered and set up, it's time for what we're all here for: sound quality. Sony claims Cinematic 3.1, 2-channel spatial sound, and honestly, it delivers. The system uses 3 front-firing speakers, including a dedicated center channel for dialogue, along with dual up-firing speakers that bounce sound off your ceiling to create a height-based audio dimension. Watching an action movie, like Dune or Top Gun, Maverick, you can truly appreciate the difference. You won't mistake it for a full 7.1 setup with rear speakers, but it does a surprisingly effective job of making sound feel like it's coming from all directions. Explosions have depth, dialogue is crisp, and ambient effects feel more immersive. With Dolby Atmos and DTS-X support, this soundbar is tuned for modern cinematic content. These formats are designed to create an object-based audio field, meaning you'll hear planes flying overhead or distant thunder with real positional accuracy. A user described watching trailers with sound field mode on, like the How to Train Your Dragon trailer, and said the thundering sound of the Red Death monster made their entire living room rumble. That's the kind of immersive power Atmos is meant to deliver, and Sony nails it here. One major highlight is the dedicated center speaker. Dialogue is exceptionally clear, even during chaotic scenes. If you pair the soundbar with a compatible Sony BRAVIA TV, you also unlock Voice Zoom 3, an AI-driven feature that enhances voices further. This ensures whispers in dramas and fast-paced conversations. In action flicks are both easy to hear, a blessing if you're tired of constantly adjusting volume. One reviewer noted that even though they were using a decade-old Sony TV, the dialogue quality was significantly better than their previous Samsung bar. That's a win. Let's talk music. With Bluetooth streaming, you can easily connect your phone and play tracks directly. Whether you're jamming out to EDM, hip-hop, or old classics, the system handles it well. Most genres sound balanced, although hip-hop and electronic tracks emphasize bass and mids more. There's also the Digital Sound Enhancement Engine, DSEE, which restores details in compressed or older audio files. One user noticed a subtle clarity improvement in vintage tracks from the Platters and indie rock tracks, like Wolf Like Me. For casual listening and even parties, this system more than holds its own. Inside the BRAVIA Connect app, you'll find 3 core audio modes: movie, music, and night voice. While there's no full equalizer, these modes do offer some customization. Night mode is particularly useful. It softens high-pitched effects and lowers bass for quiet, late-night viewing. Voice mode boosts spoken dialogue, making it a great accessibility option. A few downsides: the remote isn't backlit, which makes usage in a dark room less than ideal. Also, the soundbar's LED indicator shows activity, but not specific settings, so you'll often need to check the app to confirm the mode you're in. Now, no product is perfect. The BRAVIA Theater Bar 6 is a closed system, meaning it cannot be expanded with rear or additional speakers. If you're planning to build a future-proof home theater, this might not be your best bet. And while Atmos and DTS:X provide an immersive experience, they can't fully replicate the directional accuracy of true surround systems. Lastly, the price may be steep for those already owning a decent soundbar. But if you're still relying on TV speakers or upgrading from an older bar, it's a significant leap forward. User reviews across the board are glowing. One user said the soundbar blew their socks off after upgrading from an 8-year-old Samsung setup, praising the ease of installation and sound clarity. Another mentioned it's a perfect system for mid-size living rooms, great for movie nights, and a solid starting point for a cinematic home setup. The consensus? This system is not for hardcore audiophiles building massive surround systems, but it's perfect for casual users, families, or apartment dwellers who want immersive audio without the hassle of complex wiring and speakers everywhere. So, is the Sony BRAVIA Theater Bar 6 worth it? If you're looking for a powerful yet compact soundbar system that delivers cinematic sound, clear dialogue, rich bass, and smart app integration, this one hits the mark. While it isn't expandable, it's a solid investment for anyone ready to elevate their TV audio game. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, subscribe to TechEGadget for more in-depth tech breakdowns, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the Theater Bar 6. Have you tried Dolby Atmos yet? Let's chat in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep enjoying your tech the smart way.